Okay, in today's video we're going to take a look at the symmetry in the Nasdaq cash on the weekly chart. Okay, so this is something that we have been watching, and if you look at these prior swings, they all kind of look a little bit similar, don't they? Well, I've taken these prior declines and then projected them from the recent high to look for possible support. You can see that this one decline was 906.90, this one was 850.97, this one was 850.854, this one's 863.49. So they're not, perfectly equal, but they're very similar. And that's where you tend to watch for support, because if the pattern is going to repeat itself, then we should hold above this support and start to see a rally, which is what we did start to see today. Now there's a couple of other things that are going on here though too, and let me shut off CNBC. Okay, and it's the fact that not only did we have this key price support as a decision, we also had timing factors. Okay, so one of the things we were looking at this week was the fact that we had a cluster of cycles between the 2nd through the 6th. Okay, now the actual low was made on the 2nd as far as the Nasdaq cash. As far as Nasdaq futures, it was made today on the 4th. So bottom line, we're in the time window to watch for a possible reversal. So we had both key price support, you saw a little bit more of it on Nasdaq cash weekly, and also the timing that you can see on this Nasdaq cash daily. And now we have to look to the next decision, which is this 6608 area. So just because we've had a gorgeous reversal, it doesn't mean it's going to continue for sure. So we have to watch where the resistance comes in on the way up, and the next decision here is this 6608 area. But if we can start pushing through this resistance, realize that the potential is really healthy for at least a deeper upside correction or even more. So let me show you the Nasdaq next. We've got, okay, oops, oh, those disappeared because it was from the last bar. But the areas of resistance that I'm watching in the Nasdaq futures is going to be 66.37 to 66.53 and 68.45 to 67. Some of that's coming from the symmetry of these prior swings, and some is coming from retracements of these swings too. So anyway, don't have time to recreate it, but those are the levels that you should watch. And yeah, that's it. We'll see if we can push through the resistance, then the rally can continue. But on a failure to clear it, be prepared for a possible resumption of the decline.